This is the silent money killer nobody warns you about, and it's draining your savings every single month. You can make more, budget harder, even start investing, and still feel broke. Today I'm showing you the one thing that destroys your savings automatically, and the two-step fix that flips your income into wealth without earning a dollar more. And because you clicked on this video, you're getting a bonus trick wealthy people use to stay rich even when their income goes up. Let's get into it. Lifestyle creep is simple. You make more money, and without even realizing it, your spending quietly rises with it. You get a raise. Suddenly, the groceries are a little nicer. The Amazon cart is a little fuller. The takeout happens more often. Nothing looks expensive, but every upgrade steals the money that should have gone to savings and investments. Wealthy people avoid this. Everyone else doesn't even see it happening. Here's the crazy part. Lifestyle creep doesn't feel bad. It feels like you're rewarding yourself, but it's actually the reason your savings never grow. Most people think they have a savings problem. They don't. They have a lifestyle creep problem. Because if every time your income rises, your spending rises with it, you stay stuck in the same place financially, no matter how much you earn. This is why high-income people can still be broke. And here's the part almost nobody on YouTube will tell you. The way wealthy people stop lifestyle creep is through something I call the wealth lock. Step 1. Freeze your lifestyle. Before you ever touch your raise or bonus, decide what stays the same. Your rent, your food budget, your subscriptions, all locked. Step 2. Automatically capture the difference. Set up an auto transfer from your checking to your high-yield savings or investment account for the exact amount of your raise. If you got a $90 raise, $90 gets auto-moved. Every single paycheck, before you ever see it. That's how you grow savings without feeling it. But here's where most people mess up. When wealthy people increase their income, they don't increase their lifestyle. They increase their investments. Here's the bonus trick. Whatever percentage your income grew, match that percentage in your investing contributions. If your income rises 10%, your investments also rise 10%. Automatically. No decisions, no discipline needed. This is how the rich get richer every year, even during bad years. Most people don't build wealth because lifestyle creep eats everything before it can grow. You're not going to make that mistake anymore. In the next video, I'll show you how to build your first automated wealth system, the exact structure wealthy people use to grow money while they sleep. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.